Hello, today we're at Plasnewydd, which is on the Isle of Anglesey, which is traditionally the home of the Marquis of Anglesey, and it still is today. Lord and Lady Anglesey still live with us in the house that you can see just behind me. Why wouldn't you want to come to Plasnewydd? You've got this fabulous house, which you can see is a 1790s house, but interior is a 1930s house. And the reason for that is that this was a holiday home until the 1930s, when, due to a succession of bankruptcies and misfortunes in the family, the Angleseys had to come here and live permanently. Maybe if you come to the property you can explore that story a little bit more. We've got formal gardens, a terrace garden, on the sea, with a view of the mountains. You can't get that anywhere else in quite the same way. Absolutely loads of things to do for children here as well. We've got a fabulous adventure playground. If you come in the summer, you can go sailing or kayaking or canoeing with us out on the sea behind me. Don't forget to visit our new tree house. Lord Anglesey put a tree house in Plasnewydd in the 1950s. We've just rebuilt it. And of course, our real star of the whole house is the Whistler mural in the dining room.
So here we are in the Whistler dining room. So cool because the British artist Rex Whistler decorated this room in the 1930s with this wonderful scene behind me of a fantasy world and European cities, family members and the love affair between Rex and Lady Caroline Paget. I won't tell you everything about the painting here, but things to look for are the love scene of Rex and Caroline, the current Lord Anglesey as a young man in the 1930s, the family enjoying their holidays, and the family dogs at the time, and particularly one dog, Cheeky, that really annoyed Rex Whistler when he was in here trying to finish the room.
So thank you for coming and visiting Plasnewydd digitally with us today. The whole team and I hope to see you here really soon.